Now let's analyze the case of an update query syntax. So here update makes use of the where clause to make a selective updation of the row fields with respect to a particular column. Otherwise, the whole of the column will get affected with multiple rows. So here the syntax where the update query makes use of a where clause would be here the where update the table name followed by the set keyword, then column 1 followed by the value 1, the column 2 followed by value 2, the column 3 and value followed by the value n, it proceeds on like that. Then followed by the where condition, specifically with respect to what column field you need to change other column fields. So let's take the example of particular update query. So here update customer, so customer is a table name, then followed by the set keyword, then address. We need to change the address to Pune, where ID is another column field where ID specifically value is 1. Presumably we have make another choice where we are updating customers, we setting the address to Pune where ID is equal to 2. So here Pune can be some other thing fields as well. So now let us go and share to the resource of administrator and we can make the specific changes to the update query. So we can see use customer particular customer query is the database name, and here we need to make an updation of the fields. We can make a change in the particular queries. So we can make it as update presence set. We can set the address as New Delhi. Where ID equals 6. So specifically for this 6, we can see it is Mark Zuckerberg, Switzerland 64 C5662. So in this case, only this address, that is Switzerland, will get changed into New Delhi. That is all of the fields will remain unaffected. So let us deep dive this particular query and look for the particular changes if it happens accordingly or not. So we can give an execution. And we can check for that ID value to be 6 as it address has got changed into New Delhi and previously it was Switzerland. We can go back to the original table. We can give a query execution. And we can see here, when 6, the address has got changed into New Delhi. Now we can go to the change of the tab and we can make another updation of the field. But specifically for 7, we can make some other changes. So we can copy and paste, make a certain modification of the table now. We can name it as New York. And specifically for New York, and ID we can specifically give it to 8. So for ID, it is a Sweden. Sweden is going to get affected to New York. That's a modification that's going to happen for the particular address. And we can visit the page here. See it's actually Sweden. So this will get changed into New York. So that's a specific change that is going to happen for this particular query if it's executed. We can give an execution. And we can see for the 8, it has got changed into New York. And we can revisit the original table and we can give a C8. And this has to get Sweden has to change into New York. So we can give an execution of the query here and see for 8 it has got changed into New York. So this is how an update query works for the simplest case of when we take a simple update case.